A fun, easy floral print tray that you can do for under $10. I'm using this tabletop from Five and Below. I've used it before to do other things. So you can see where you put the legs in right there, but that's okay because you're not going to see that side. I'm just going to take and sand it down so that the color can stick to it. You can leave this in the wood color that it does have on it, but I just wanted to change mine up and change the color. So I sanded it down to, like I said, so the paint can grip to it, and then you just clean off all of that. I spray painted mine so that it was easy, quick, and even. I did about one coat of that with a matte kind of spray paint. I did around the edges too. And then I'm taking these wall decals from Dollar Tree. So you'll get both of those prints on this for $1.25. I'm going to use the blue one. At first, I was going to go with the pink one, but then I have another idea for that. So I'm going to use the blue one for this. And then I did rip it, but that is okay because I just tucked it back and put it on. You want to make sure you put this on nice and flat. I'm going to use the little small floral pieces too. You don't have to use those. You can leave it off and save those for something else. But I'm just going to put the whole side of it on the tray. And then once I placed them all around and decided where I wanted every piece of the little florals to go. And like I said, you don't have to use all of the floral pieces. You can save those. You can arrange these however you want. But once I put those all down, you can then come in and cover it with a Mod Podge so that everything stays on, especially if you're going to put it in a heavy traffic area. I didn't do that yet though. But I'm just going to take this rope from the Dollar Tree, and you can get this like in the crafting section at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to cut down 2 handles for the tray. You can use regular handles. I've done other trays with the same tabletop, and I used regular handles for like drawers and put those on there. I was at first going to go with a little cute gold handle, but then I changed it up. So I'm going to go with this rope tray, kind of give it like a boho vibe. I'm going to open up the end so kind of it lays flat. So once I cut them, I just opened it up so that it went flat. I'm putting it on with hot glue. You can put it on with a stronger adhesive glue, but the hot glue is working just fine. I matched them up on both sides across so that, the handles look even, and I hot glued those on. You'll let those dry. You just hold it in place for a little bit till it dries. And then once it dries, I came around and did the rope around the whole trim of the tray. You don't have to do that. You can just finish off where you attach the handles at with something and it'll have a cleaner look. But like I said, I wanted it to have like kind of a boho type vibe. So I wanted to go around with the rope all the way around. You can do 2 layers of the rope too, kind of come up, and then the tray will have like a little lip. So you would just stack it on top and then it would have like a little lip. But I just wanted to keep it simple, but still, have that boho look. So I just hot glued this all the way around where it overlaps on the handles. You want to just make sure you hold it there in place while it dries so that it doesn't lift up. And then when you're done, you're just going to cut it real even to where you began so that it kind of just looks like a continuous rope all the way around. But like I said, you can do this with different things. You can even get some of that like faux metal like trim that the Dollar Tree has and put this around. Just so many different ways you can do it. You can burn off all the little fray edges that come with the nautical type rope at Dollar Tree. They even have a white one too that you can use. But so many different ways you can do this. But I hope it gave you some inspiration to go out and create something fun, something pretty. You can do this in so many different ways to fit in with your own personal home decor style. It is quick and it is easy. And like I said, it was under $10.